Thanks, Shamit. Thanks very much. Hi, Prabhu. Like yesterday, we have completed command line arguments, right?
Yes, sir.
In today's class, we'll be discussing about how to read dynamic data from end user. Okay.
Okay. Sir, can I ask one doubt, sir? Yesterday, we are discussing command line argument, and at the end of the class, we have a script date log script. Date log script, sir. What is the any connection between the command line argument with that date log script? I think there is no connection between the script and
date log. What is date log script? I didn't show you any date log script, right? Just I have showed you timestamp.
Sorry, sir. Time.
See, timestamp is simple thing. Suppose like if you want to, I mean like there will be files generated within 1 minute or 2 minutes. You want to give the naming convention with the timestamp. That is why I have given that script.
Okay.
There is no connection between those things.
Yeah. Okay, sir. With command line argument, with that script, there is no connection.
No, there is no connection.
Yeah. Sir. Just I am asking that.
No, there is no connection between command line arguments and that script. Just to show you, if you want to create a log file with the timestamp, then for that purpose we need to do it. Okay.
Just I am asking anything. I miss that one. When I seen that recording, I just
no. Nothing.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
No issues, no problem. How to read a dynamic data from end user is today's. We'll complete this topic today. By using read keyword, we can by using the read keyword, we can read dynamic data from end user. What do you mean by dynamic data from end user? Suppose if you want to log into any, see, I am now the username I have given and the password I have given. Once I click in, I will be able to log in. Similar to this, there will be so many like Facebook applications, not only Facebook, Instagram, any kind of login applications will be there, right? Not only login applications, there are so many things where you want to give your input or provide dynamic data. For that purpose, we are going to use this dynamic data. Okay. Without prompt message, and then there are two ways: with prompt message and without prompt message. We'll see one by one, and I will show you which one we are going to use. I mean, like in real times, which one we are going to use a lot. Okay. Simple things. First, without prompt, we are going to see. First, we will be using read keyword. Read a space b. We are going to give like this, and then we are going to enter the value a equal to 100, b equal to 200. Just enter. Now if you want to get the value, just simple thing, echo $a space something, anything you can mention. The values of a and b are also you can mention like that. Just I am giving echo $a and $b. See 100 and 200, we are getting the value like that. You can give the values. Okay. This is without prompt message. We are not getting any prompt asking for us to enter the values like that, right? We are not getting anything. Now let us see with the prompt message. Simple thing. I will create one script file. Okay. Let me go to scripts. Okay. -LDR, I will say we have these many files. What I will say, I will create read. Okay. Nano read a. Okay. Read a.sh. Okay. Something like that. Enter. Now I'm going to create a script bin bash. Okay, come down here. Now simple like this. I'm giving script echo, enter a value. I'm giving a as lowercase. If you want, we can give as uppercase also. Just give colon and then come down here and then read a. Read a like this. You can give same thing. Similarly for b also, echo, enter b value, colon, come down, read b, something like that, and then echo the values of a and B or I will give colon. Now $A and $B, something like this I'm going to give. Okay, now let's check this one. We can we get the prompt message or not? We'll see it. Okay, now run it. Bash read it. Sorry, see, enter a value. It is asking. I want to give a value as 900. Enter B value. I am going to enter as 300. See, the values of A and B are 900 and 300. It is working fine. But there is something here. Here, enter A value. We should get the value here only. We are getting in the new line. If you want to remove that one, how we can do that? Did you understand the problem here? Enter A value is coming in the next line. We want to get the A value here only, right? Generally, we are going to get the A value here. How we can do that? Simple thing, go to that file again and then give what we should give. We should give -n value. As I told you earlier, -n value. Just give -n value here. This -n value. If you give like this, it is going to work out. Okay. Now run it again. Enter see now A value is let me give A value as 45, 54, something, any random value. See, like this you can do. Okay, this is how you can get the dynamic data with the prompt message. Okay, this is the first way. Okay, this is the first approach. Okay, even we can follow the second approach as well. I will just show the second approach as well. See what is the file name. Nano read.sh. This is the second approach. Generally, we follow this approach. Remove everything here. Okay, simple. Read first way bash. Yeah, this is the second approach. Read -p. -p is prompt. Okay, read. Now we are going to give enter A value. I will give A as capital here. A value colon. Now I am going to declare a variable here as what I'm going to say A, small a. Okay, next one is read -p enter B value. Okay, I'm going to declare this value as B small b. Now echo the values of A and B are something like this, and then declare the variables A. I'll just give comma $B. Okay, say now we should do small letters. Since we have declared the variables as small, we need to do this one. Save it and then run it again. Read A dot sh enter. See, now we are going to get A value 199. I'm entering. B value is something random value I'm entering. See, we are getting it. This is generally, this is the second approach we are going to follow. This is the best approach. Okay. Okay. Approach 2. Now
Can you open the script on?
You don't worry about the scripts. Now I told you I will be sharing you the thing, right? Nothing is there, just simple thing. What I have given there. Read A value, read B value, the values of A and B.
Yes, small a and small b are, is this variables or
These are variables only, right? This is a variable.
Yeah.
These are variables. That is why those are in different color. These are variables. We have assigned a variable A variable, B variable, and we are getting the values by doing variable substitution. Okay. You understood it, right? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we need to develop. We need to create one script. Suppose we need to enter username and password, and then we need to log in. Something like that we need to create. Okay, we are going to do that one now. We are re-login.sh. Okay, You should guide me to write the script. Tell me the script to write. Bin bash read hyphen p username. Enter user.
Enter a username.
Okay, I am just giving username as user, the variable. Read hyphen p. Enter your password. Okay, something like this.
Pass. Yep.
I'm
Pass.
giving the variable as pass wd. Okay, now here I'm just giving echo thanks for using the thanks for your information, something like that. Thanks for your something like that. Save it and just enter. Now see here, I'm going to run it bash login.sh. See, enter your username. I'm just entering my password. See here, there is one thing. Password generally it should not show us the password, right? If you are trying to enter the password, we should not. The password should be hidden, right?
Yes.
For that, what we can do is I will give here. What I'm going to give here, I'm going to give another argument -s and save this file. Now let me run the file again. I'm just giving the name and then I'm giving the password here. Now it is working fine. But again, thanks for using application. It should come in the next line. If that should come in the next line, what I can do? I can give here echo.
Echo.
One blank line I'm going to give it. Now run it again. Bash login. I'm just giving username. I'm just giving password. Now thanks for this is working fine. This is how you are going to that is the difference between read hyphen p. P is for prompt, S is to it hides input on the screen which is provided by the end user. Okay, like that you can create a login applications or anything like that. Okay, now there is a script which we need to write. Write a script to read a student data and display the console for the information. We need to write a script to display.
Small doubt, sir. When we are calling variable by equal to symbol, there is no need to use that user. Here we are using a read hyphen p enter username. Directly we are using a user. In previous previous examples.
If you want,
Okay, sir.
you can
Okay,
use
okay,
it
sir.
simple like this. User, thanks for using your information. Just save it. I'm just not calling the variables. That's it. Now I want to run this one. I will just give Kiran. I'll just give the password. See,
Okay.
Kiran, thanks for using your information. Something. I'm not just calling the variables. There is, if you want to do it, you can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Next one is like write a script to read students data and display the data to the console. This is our requirement. Okay, now I'll create another file another script nano student.sh. Okay, student.sh I'm going to create. Tell me, first we are going to give bin bash. I want to display the student information. That is my requirement. Read hyphen p. What is the first one we need to get?
Enter your roll number, your
Student,
name.
enter student name. Okay, and then colon. Now I'm declaring the variable for student as name. If you want, you can do it like this. stu also.
If
st
can we use equal to with stu?
Syntax.
No,
This
syntax.
is the
Okay.
syntax. You should follow this syntax only. You
Okay.
cannot use,
Okay.
if you use equal, it will fail. Okay, next after that read hyphen p. Next, what is the next one we are going to use? Enter student roll number. Student roll number. Next one is, this is the thing we should use. I'm giving here roll, something like that. Next variable, next, what is the next information we should get? Student age. Okay, enter student age. Okay, you colon, come down here. I'm going to give stage. Okay, age, something like stage. Okay, this is variable for, or else age. Yes, age. Okay, this is fine. Next one is read hyphen p. What is the next one we can enter? Enter student marks. Okay, enter student marks. Okay, what is the next? Here I'm going to give marks as a variable. Next, what is the next one? Now this is fine. These details are fine. Now I'm going to give echo. Please confirm your details. Confirm your details like this. Okay. And just I'm giving some decoration thing. Even if you want, you can give with echo as well. Echo is double quotations, in double quotation middle we need to give this one like this, something just for decoration I'm giving. Now we need to get the all those things. Echo student name is okay. Now what is the variable we need to do? Student stu. Okay, this is fine. Next one is echo student roll number is, what is the variable we need to do? If you want, you can give colon as well here. Instead of space, we shall give colon. Now we are going to give the variable as dollar ROL. Next, come down here, echo. What is the next one? Student
age
is colon dollar SAGE. Now come down here, echo. Next, what is the next one? Student
marks.
Or
Can we call dollar within the brackets marks also?
you can call like this one, marks.
Okay.
Is also fine. There are two ways how you can do the variable substitution. Okay, this is the first one. This is the first method. Dollar and variable name, dollar and curly braces like this also again. Just save it. Now run it again. Bash. Enter student name. I'm giving Kiran as student name. Roll number as 19. Age as 25. Something like that. Enter student marks. I'm going to give 98 out of 100. What it is saying? Unexpected UI something.
Sir, column missing, sir. Echo come.
Yeah, we have done a mistake. Let me open the file. Where is that? Where is
Please
that?
confirm your details. Echo.
We didn't close this one. Now save it. Now run it again. Yeah. Enter roll number 19. Age 25. Something I'm giving random one. Enter student marks 199 out of 200. See, you are getting all the details. Okay. Even if you want to redirect, you can do anything you want to do, you can do it. Okay. That is the first, this is the first program. And the second one is, I'll just give you this one as homework. Simple one. Write a script to read employee data and save to emp.txt file. Can you do it, or do you want me to show it?
I will try, sir. I will.
Simple thing. Just if I open this file here, read -p, everything is same. Here the syntax comes, enter employee number, employee number. Again, next come down here, employee name. Next come down here, employee salary. Next come down here, employee address. Next below something you want to give anything. If you want to save this all the details to any file, what you can do is simple thing. Come down here, echo, and then give like this. You want to save all those things, right? What I will say, dollar stu colon dollar ROL colon dollar SAGE colon dollar marks. Okay, these are the things. Now you want to redirect it to certain file, but that file should be already present. Okay, now come give space here and then do the redirection thing. and then suppose I want to do it with student.txt file, something like that. I'm trying to redirect it. Okay, just enter, just save this file. Okay, before that, let me create touch student.txt file. Okay, now cat student.txt file, student.txt file. Is there anything? There is nothing. There is no data available here. Now let me run the file again. Student.sh. Okay, enter. Okay, here roll number 18, age 25, marks. What are the marks? 99 out of 100. Now we are getting the details here. Now let me check for cat student. Okay, .txt file. What it is saying? See, my name, it is giving the name Kiran, and then number, and then age, and then marks. This is how you need to redirect it. Okay, try it out that program. Write a script, something employee number. You should get the employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address, and then after doing all this, you need to redirect it to certain file. That's it. Simple thing.
Yep.
Okay, write a script that takes a string from end user and prints its length. I think I have shown it to you earlier. We'll do this one. This is very important script. Nano len.sh. I'm going to give len.sh. You should guide me how to write this script. Tell me. You should tell me the logic. Bin bash read -p enter
Enter.
enter the string enter the enter the string to find
Find
its
the
length.
length.
Find its length. Okay. Colon. Now I'm declaring the string as str variable. Now we should get the value. How we can do that? I am declaring len variable and then dollar parenthesis echo hyphen n. What is this thing? Str dollar
Just
str dollar str. Now we should give this one to wc minus c.
WCF.
Now echo the length of dollar str is colon dollar len. This is the simple logic. Okay. Now run it again. Bash len.sh. Enter the strings length. Tell me anything you want. I'll just give you a name only. It's working fine. Enter the. Tell me any other thing.
Kiran.
Red Hat. Okay.
Kiran. Okay.
Red Hat Linux. How many are there? 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. 11, it is working fine. Even you can give long one also. See, I'm just giving random one. It is working fine. Okay, that is how you can do it. Okay. This is very important program. Generally, they are going to ask in any interviews. Okay. Write a script to read file name from end user and display its content. This is our next program. What I will say, nano. I will say a.sh file. Just enter. Bin bash. Come down here. We need to first. What is our requirement? First, we need to read the file name. Read -p. Enter any file name to display its content. Okay. Now declare the variable as file name. F name I am giving. Come down here. Echo some declaration I am going to give. Echo double quotations. I am going to give stars. Okay. Some more stars. Come down here. Now If you want to display the content, what is the command we should use?
Cat.
Cat. Perfect. Dollar F name. Like this. Come down here. Again, I'm going to give the decoration. I'm going to give star here. Something like this. Come down here. This is okay. Perfect. That's it. This is the thing. Now just save this file. ls-ldr. Let me see how many files are there. Length.sh file I want to display. Okay. Bash. What is the name of the file we have given?
A.s. A.s.
length.sh. Enter. See, we are getting the whatever the thing available, we are getting it. Okay. That is how you can write the script to display the content of the file. There are two more programs. Write a script to read file name from the end user and remove blank lines present in that file. Okay.
Oh.
What I will do, len.sh, I will enter. I'm here. There is a blank line. Here, this is the second line is blank line. Okay, and then after this, I'm going to give another blank line. After this, I'm going to. There are one blank line here. One blank line is available here. Another blank line is available here. Another blank line is available here. I want to remove those blank lines to this file. How I can do that? We'll create a file, another script, b.sh, b.sh in bash. Okay. Read -p. Come down here. Enter. Any enter. File name to remove the blank lines. Okay. Colon. What is I'm just giving f name as a variable. Now tell me the logic how you can remove the blank lines. This is very important. Okay. You don't know the logic?
Sir, I did not get that.
Tell me the logic to remove the blank lines.
Blank lines. Echo.
That is not the thing. I'll just explain you. Grep. Okay.
Okay.
Grep. After grep -v, v is the argument we should use. After that, we need to give quotations like this. And then there is a cap symbol and then dollar symbol you should give. See, hyphen. Do you know anything about grep command?
No, sir, I don't know. Just a filtering purpose we are using.
1 second, let me write the command. F name we are going to give, and then we need to redirect it to. I am redirecting without spaces some file tmp.txt file. I am redirecting it to this one. After that, I am renaming move t temp.txt file. I am rewriting to $f name. This is the thing. And then last one is I'm going to give echo in file name $f name all blank lines are removed. Okay, this is the thing I'm going to. Okay, see, grep -v is like opposite. See, we are giving starting this cap symbol is there, right? This cap symbol means any line starts with. Suppose if I give grep and then cap symbol, suppose I'll just show you that thing. If I give grep and then if I give something like cap symbol and then if I give something like KIR and then search here, it is going to give me the lines which are going to start with KI, something like this. And then there are no lines, that is why it is not giving. And then grep, if I give grep and after this one grep, after giving this one, we should give the file name as well. and then if I give ki and then dollar if I give, and then if I give something like le and .sh file name, if any line ending with ki, it is going to give. There are no lines, right? That is why it didn't give. Suppose in let me see cat what is available in length.sh file. See, suppose I want to get a grep, and then which is going to start with r. I want to get start with r means just give this cap symbol and then give r and then len.sh file. Now enter. See, we got it right here. You are able to see read something like this. This line is starting with r. That is why it is gap. It has given the output. Now suppose same thing I want to give which ends with r. Which ends with r means dollar r and then file name len.sh. Just give enter. Now why it is going to be ending here, right? But why it didn't give here? Let me clear the screen. Like that we can use it. Let me try it out again here. Dollar or maybe I think we should use 1 second. Syntax, maybe syntax is missing. Remove this one and use r before and try it out. See, now it is working fine. We should use r before. Okay, we are getting even that red color also it is showing with for r. That is how the grep command is going to work out. Okay, and dollar you understood the difference between cap and dollar. Now I have combined it together. How I have combined it together? Grep and then I'm giving double quotations and then cap symbol. First I have given cap symbol and then dollar symbol. There is nothing present in this. There is no gap, there is no space like that. If you give hyphen v, what it does is it is opposite. Here there is no gap, right? There is no gap, there is no space. Opposite to this means there should be space. Hyphen v option is used opposite. Suppose like if I give anything starting, if I give anything starting with r, I want to print out. How I will do that? Grep r and dollar I will give, right? If you want to like don't want opposite words, if you want to print like just I'll show you length.sh, just enter. See, we are not getting the line which is ending with r. We are getting rest of the lines. Are you able to see? Rest opposite of r letter is there which ends with there is one line, but it is not giving that line. Rest of the lines it is giving. That is hyphen v option. And then how I have used, now I have used here instead of this cap symbol I have used this symbol, cap symbol I have. That means there is no space in between these two. Opposite to this if I use, I am going to get the space lines. Just give enter. See, there are no spaces. Previously we are having spaces. The spaces have been removed. That is the logic behind that. Okay, let me clear the screen. What is the file name we have created? Nano b.sh, right?
Yes.
Bash b.sh. I will give, just enter. See, enter any file name to remove blank lines. I will just give len.sh file name. Just give enter. The blank lines are removed. Now if you want to see cat len.sh, you can see. See, there are no blank lines. Previously there was a blank lines. Now the blank lines are removed. That is how you will write a script. Okay, and then write a script. This is the last program. Write a script to read a file name from the end user and remove duplicate lines present in that file. How you can remove the duplicate lines? Tell me the command. Which command will be using to remove the duplicate lines?
Uh, so unique command filter in
Uh,
filters we are using unique command.
Unique command is correct. But instead of unique command, you can go with. I will just explain you the logic, and then you should you should write the program. Okay. Simple thing. First one is read hyphen p, enter the file name to remove the duplicate lines, and then declare a variable. Now come down here. Instead of using unique command, if you want to use the unique command, first the data should be sorted out, right?
Okay. Yeah.
If you want to use unique command, first the data should be sorted. For that, what you can do is sort, sort, and then hyphen u. If you use sort and hyphen u argument, it is going to do the unique whatever the thing. It is going to remove the duplicate lines. Okay, And then you need to give the file name here, something like if you are giving the variable for that file name as f name, then give that one, and then redirect it to temp.txt file, something temp.txt file, and then rename this temp.txt file to what you need to rename $f name.
Dollar.
This is the logic you need to write, and then the duplicate lines will be removed. How you can check is create a file with a duplicate lines, duplicate names, duplicate lines, and then write the script, and then give the, while entering that thing, you just mention that file name where duplicate lines are present, and then check that whether the duplicate lines are removed or not. Okay. Any questions you have in how to read a dynamic data from end user?
No, sir.
If you don't have any questions, we can close this session, and then tomorrow we are going to start with operators. Okay, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and then how we can perform mathematical operations. There are 4 ways how we can perform mathematical. I'm just giving heads on what we are going to discuss tomorrow. By using, there are 4 keywords how we can do mathematical operations, by using expr keyword, by using let keyword, by using double parenthesis, by using square brackets. Okay. After that, what we will be discussing about the bc command. If you want to perform floating point values, we are going to use bc command for that. And then after that, we are going to write how many scripts? 1, 2, 3 scripts. Okay. My target is to complete tomorrow operators. Okay. After operators, control statements will be there. What is today's date? Wednesday, we are going to complete operators. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days we are going to spend on control statements. 4 days. Okay. Thursday 1 hour, Friday 1 hour. Let me stop recording.